you will need 2 eye pins, 2 8mm glass beads and 2 charms. You will also need 5mm open jump rings times 2 and a pair of ear wires. Place the bead onto the eye pin. You will need round nose pliers to make the loop. Place the round nose pliers above the bead and bend the eye pin. Make a loop with the round nose pliers. Make a loop for both earrings. Open the jump rings using flat nose pliers and attach your charm. Attach the charms to the eye pins. Open the ear wires sideways using flat nose pliers. And close the ear wires. Now your earrings are ready to wear.